Yo, what up, it's your boy L Stones. I'm back with another Shandis. And you'll start with Makfiki Tubani Tegi show. Okay, bafethu. Namhlanje we here. Jameson's Pub bafethu umcimbi hosted by bafethu Blessing Chiliza bafethu. It's a festival. Para festival yabo leyo nto so yona nto sona ngayo namhlanje lukhululeza bafethu nama performances ke bafethu sithengiswe wona so wabona namhlanje. Please stay tuned, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share bafethu. Thank you for everyone bafethu sathepe in kwi movement bafethu, and thank you for quelling it nami mfethu njengoba ngihlezi ngisembisa ngithi lukhululeza ngiyazi kona kwisikhathi ngiqinile nami ukuyiveza bafethu yabo kodwa kusayena uMr Lukhululeza umtshisa wonke bafethu kade ngagcina le Shandisi basi ngithi mina kusawuyena uMr Lukhululeza umtshisa uMr yonke into ilele kuye lo. Hey bafethu sena ngiloya yini ngenilunge ngisame ngoqena manje. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Always. Yo, what up, it's your boy L Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and you'll start with Makfiki Tubani Tegi show. Okay, I'm here with
Sisanda.
Okay, I'm here with Sisanda Mabanga first. Okay, first questions first. Ngaw ukuthi ngamkhipha umtshisi mise ku dates.
Yes.
Why?
Ngoba ngisengimthanda.
Oh, okay. So tell me first, angaka language angekho ku national anthem?
Angaki?
Angekho.
Njengoba 11 mangaka khona vele.
Awungakuvela khona.
Ku national anthem khona 5 if I'm not mistaken. Shooter angekho mangaki? Shooter angekho 6.
Okay, alright, fresh. So second question first ngaw ukuthi let's say indle yasha yabo. Phakathi khona ex yakho ne crush yakho. Ubani ongamsave? Crush yakho kanjani ngobani?
Yeke akafe loyo.
Akafe indawo kuphathanga kahle.
Yeah.
Uke wamkhipha vele umtshisa before Mr Days?
Yes.
Waspenda malini?
Much ngisakhumbula yini angazi. Don't remember.
Usazwana nalo?
Maleningi.
Usazwana nalo?
No.
Alright, sis. Tell me first advice you'll give about umjolo ngathini?
Guys, stay loyal. Asikho isidingo sokuthi wenze izinto engasile. Yeah.
Alright, so tell me ngokucabanga kwakho uqonda ukuthini SABC?
SABC, South African Broadcasting Channel. Okay.
So mbuzo ogcina first uqonda ukuthini ABSA?
Uzani?
ABSA.
Because ukuthini ABSA? I'm not sure. I guess.
Always. Please shout out to Instagram la abantu bangifollow khona, TikTok more now.
TikTok Sisanda Mabanga.
IG na?
IG Sisanda Mabanga 7.
Alright, ngibonga kakhulu ne. Alright, sure. Yo, what up, it's your boy L Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and you'll start with Makfiki Tubani Tegi show. Okay, I'm here with
Blessing.
Okay, Blessing. In fact, so please name top 3 ama artists in fact wathanda ku hip hop.
Obviously Nasty C, Blackie, and Iris.
No Aries. Feel kanjani njengoba uSimamane ebe no Lucas betise uBlackie?
I think I don't feel nothing. That's the culture.
Sho kanje.
Yeah, that's the culture. I'll see what dog.
So lento yenzakalayo sikufanele vele.
Noma ngasho ukuthi kufanele usenzeke, but then it happened. Good rap game, that's why.
Alright. So tell me nje angaka languages angekho ku national anthem.
Angekho ku national anthem.
Sure.
I don't know what mangaki, but then I know it's gonna angekho. I don't wanna lie. I don't know it's mangaki.
Yes, awekho.
Awekho.
Okay. Let's say nje indle yasha face khona ex yakho phakathi ne crush yakho uba ungamsave and why?
The crush obvious, Nick.
Ungasave i-crush yakho umuntu osamfuna?
Yeah, Nick.
Ngobani?
Because first, obviously ex isengi
Usudlulile.
Awe.
It
is, nigga. I'm a focus on the future.
It's okay. Please shout out to Instagram la abantu bangafollow khona.
It's Blessing Chiliza. And TikTok it's Blessing RS actually one man or Blessing 47.
Always. Shout out boy. Okay. Go. Yo, what up, it's your boy LA Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and the club is Makfiki Tubani Tsegi show. Okay, I'm here with.
The Para King vese.
Okay, so njam, sami njam. Let's say indle yasha ne. And phakathi khona i-crush yakho ne-ex yakho. Uba ungamsiza.
Obvious crash bro.
Why ungasiza i-crush yakho njalo?
Obvious bro ukuthi usamdinga nje ex-endedile.
And akakuqomi lo muntu akakuyisela. What if bungabuyela kwi-ex first ikuthande back?
What if bengayithola i-crash yami dog?
Eish, ya ne, wena impahla le. So tell me njam, awungaka languages angekho kwi-national anthem.
Engekho national anthem?
Sure.
isiZulu.
Ama-languages angekho national anthem.
Nani yathi ngibo isiTsonga. Na
Awungakhi like nje inamba yakhona.
yoza cabanga vese simangani nami ngakhalculate umqondo akunasho vese. Probably 3 or 4 though angazi.
Okay, so semi nje amqondo kuthini uAbsa.
Ups. Outside. Angazi bro.
Alright. So ungitshele njami ufila kanjani?
Barclays phakathi
Okay, ufila kanjani ngo-screw namabhinci?
abantu face umuntu ezinto ayithandayo egcinene.
Wena ukhetha yiphi class?
Screw bro.
Screw gang. Awe. So semi njami highest amount awespenda kwi-date ukhipha
Probably 5 to K bro.
5 to EK.
Yeah,
Sayichoka leyo ngane.
probably.
Awe. Please shout out to Instagram la abantu bakufollow khona.
It's the Para King SA. Para King SA.
Awe ngiyabonga nje fresh. Yo, what up, it's your boy LA Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and the old club is Makfiki Tubani Tsegi show. Okay, I'm here with.
The poor and got the sound from the cliff.
Awe, my cheese. So tell me njami vese, what is the highest amount you have ever spent on a date?
Isikhathi esingukuthi ngishaya ama-solo date mina mfethu.
Shama solo days.
Yeah,
So spend malini mawuyitotosa njami?
it depends ukuthi ngaleyo nkathi ngiphethe malini yabo leyo nto. But anginayo i-highest amount because ngiyapanda kukhuphuka mfethu ngipanda kukhuphuka.
Awe. So tell me njami vese, yini motivate vese ukuthi ishayele ama-solo dates vese?
Mfethu kahle wethu mina ngumuntu odamage yabo leyo nto sesigrand yabo leyo nto so bengibelieve ukuthi usikhipha ngingeda wonke leyo nto. Sometimes kunephathi encane kumina mfethu esuke ibuyi-grand yabo. So kancane umuntu uyahila.
Awe, vese umqondo omuhle naleyo vese khona isifundo engisithelayo vese. So vese ngokwazi kwakho uqonda ukuthini AM no PM.
Mfethu lokho aphumekelana umuntu akasakhumbula mfethu. Sesisebenzisa wona ama-abbreviations mfethu uthi PM no AM.
Alright, uAbsa wona.
Angazi talk yami mara kuno-African
Okay, so tell me njami makuthiwa indle yasha vese phakathi khona i-ex yakho ne-crush yakho vese ungaseva ba and why?
mfethu ngasave out mfethu i-reason mfethu ngisave out mfethu.
No, like khona i-ex yakho ne-crush yakho.
I-ex yami ne-crush mfethu. Yo.
Uba useva.
Ngaseva mfethu mina khoza mfethu i-ex yabo.
I-ex. Why i-ex? Loqeda kuhlowana nayo vese.
Sure mfethu because mfethu akwenza wazenzela yena and mina mfethu I believe ukuthi mfethu umuntu omncane uhlala omncane. So ukuthi wenzeni mfethu if esosizeni mina ngizokusiza mfethu yabo. Ukuthi wenzani kumina angeke ngikubonge ekho grand. Bese ngiyaqhubeka hayi usesabangani yabo ngenza sure ukuthi ugrand ngaloyo nkathi ngemove yabo.
Alright. So best advice I would love to share about umjolo ngathini njami.
Umjolo mfethu ngasho mfethu ukuthi nayazini. Ayikho into ekuthiwa mfethu forever yabo khona whenever. So mfethu enjoya okwenza mfethu but ulindele ukuthi ngaphela nomnini. Leyo nhlala une-space nje bese sokuphoxeka because akuyonto eguaranteed.
So uthanda ziphi ingane ezo-screw noma ezamabhinci?
Mfethu kuyadepende ukuthi uyayibona ingane mfethu ukuthi lo ngiyamthatha leyo nto ukuthi kuya ngey'ngane but ey'nganeni mfethu hhayi usikhulu mfethu hhayi iy'ngane mfethu eziy'bhalansele vele
Uthanda ama-light fees
mfethu.
Awe. Alright, please shout out to Instagram la abantu bangifollowa khona njami.
Mfethu ku-Instagram mfethu it's Fish the Poor mfethu then ku-Facebook it's the Patch ZA then on YouTube it's Fish the Poor then on TikTok it's the Sound from the Cliff.
Okay, ngiyabona njami ibrand lo igqokile yaba yakho noma khona umpromotelayo?
Na mfethu akuseya ngikhona ngipromothelayo.
So igama lakhe K-Star.
Sure mfethu.
Awazi ukuthi utholakala kephi yena mfethu lamtshise lo K-Star handle yakhe Instagram.
Ku-Insta mfethu anginalo lwazi mfethu.
Yeah.
Yes mangimazi ngegama lakhe mina because ilokishi mfethu anginalo.
Uba igama lakhe.
Yabo lonto awusandile mfethu.
Usandile.
Showcase mfethu.
Mfethu hayi no into eqondile mfethu. Mfethu sitopha kakhulu le hoodie mfethu.
Ngiyabongela.
Aweza shara njani siyabonga mapro. Aweza. Yo, what up? It's your boy Ella Stones. I'm back with another Shandis. And the clubs mafiki tubani say show. Okay, I'm here with
Unique first.
okay, Unique first. So sami njami. Makusiwa indlu iyasha first. Phakathi khona ex yakho ne crush yakho uba ngomsafe.
The ex and the crush. Crush dog.
Ngobani?
I mean, I got nothing to do with the ex. I've moved on, like you understand, dog. So, crush, I'm moving forward. Stand up back, moving forward.
Alright. So qonda ukuthini njami www.
Yo, to be honest, angazi, bro, cause I don't give a damn.
Alright, so sami njami. Highest amount I spend ku dates.
Any amount as long as she's worth it.
Highest nje first I spend wena ku dates before.
I've never went to dates.
Awazi ku dates.
Nah.
Nami njami angikaze mina ngiyisisekeni ku dates kodwa sengingaya ku dates but isinye story leso. So sami njami.
Anqaba, mina, bro.
Uyanqaba.
Yeah, she was like, she wanted to go out with me, but I mean, I was like, no,
Ngobani?
just no.
Oh, siyo leyo mtshisa loyo.
Yeah.
Ngoba ngiyithola njami so qonda ukuthini ups njami ucabanga kwakho.
ABSA, like ABSA. If I don't know first of all, but I'm sure we know somewhere African bank. I don't know.
Okay. So whip advice ongasipha yona but umjolo.
First of all, angikuthanda umjolo, but i-advice engayisho ngomjolo bro ukuthi uyeke cause uzoqhuma ikhanda bo uzofa, stuff like that, bro. Otherwise makuthi ufuna ukuba kumjolo kahle kuwona umjolo ke lokho ke into ethanda ukuba serious abo because ama game, bro. Umjolo kahle ama game because umuntu uyakwazi ukuthi nithintane naye without ukuthi nizinyathandana, you understand that shit.
So kumjolo.
Sure kumjolo, so lonto inama game phakathi, so yeah.
Okay.
Advice engayisho nje ngomjolo ukuthi shiya phansi because
Abantu bangathephi ini kodwa. Alright, njami. Please shout out to Instagram la abantu bangafollow khona.
Instagram
Yeah.
Unique Envy first. Unique Envy.
Unique Envy.
Yeah, Unique Envy.
Awezi njami ngabonga kakhulu eh.
Alright, thanks.
Shout out. Okay.
President Buddha Gandhi, the Peter Buddha Gandhi, Pandit Gandhi, UNA,